Good afternoon, everyone. It is 2:06. Hold on, actually. I'm going to pipe in Facebook, actually. One second. While I get that up. Hello to the Facebook viewers as well. We have, so good morning, good afternoon if you're new here. I'm Mason Lambert, and let's get this episode started. So this morning we had a little bit of a scare this morning with the weather. This morning we had a tornado warning this morning around 6 o'clock this morning. We had a tornado warned storm in the area. This warning was in effect for Randolph County, Illinois. And this was the only tornado warning issued by the National Weather Service. So the warning information says tornado warning for northeastern Randolph County and southwestern Illinois until 7 a.m. Hold on. Sorry, I was on the phone. I wanted to go ahead and go into the tornado warning that came out earlier this morning. Okay, that's Wilmington. That's not St. Louis. Sorry. Okay, so let's real quick go ahead and this is the tornado warning information that came out. So the reason why I was not live this morning was because I was not awake during this time. This storm took me by surprise, complete surprise, and by the time I saw it, the tornado warning was just about to expire. So this tornado warning was in effect for Ellis Grove, north side of Ellis Grove, Evansville, Baldwin, and Sparta and Coulterville this morning. So this was the polygon that we had this morning. And by the time the warning expired, the warning was only out for 29% of the polygon, that original polygon. So, and this was the information that was given during the during that instance. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Randolph County and southwestern Illinois until 7 o'clock a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:22 Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Evansville, or 9 miles northeast of St. Genevieve, moving northeast at 35. Hazard tornado. Source radar indicated rotation. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous. Those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. And said the locations impacted include Evansville, Walsh, Preston, Baldwin, Houston, Sparta, Eden, Tilden, and Coulterville. And then when they updated it at 6:31, a tornado warning remains in effect until 7 a.m. for northeastern Randolph County. It said at 6:31, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Evansville, or 9 miles southwest of Sparta, moving northeast at 35. Hazard tornado. Source radar indicated in rotation. And the warning was still in effect for Walsh, Preston, Baldwin, Houston, Sparta, Eden, Tilden, and Coulterville at that point. And then at 6:43, same messaging, except at 6:43, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Sparta, moving northeast at 25. And the warning was now only in effect for Houston, Sparta, Tilden, and Coulterville at that point. And then the expiration. Tornado warning will expire at 7 a.m. for northeastern Randolph County. The storm which prompted the warning has weakened below severe limits and no longer appears capable of producing a tornado. Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire. And that was at the end of that warning cycle. So is this going to work? Paducah, St. Louis is not working today. It's not wanting to work today. Anyway, what happened is the question. We won't know until later today what what happened. I'm just being honest there. We probably won't know anything until later today. That's my guess. Yeah, a lot of weather people. So we had a lot going on this morning, and honestly, we only had one warning in effect, two warnings in effect this morning for our region. One severe thunderstorm warning and one tornado warning. The severe thunderstorm warning was for Genevieve County and Randolph County. The tornado warning was for Randolph County in particular. So it's April 4th, and the National Weather Service St. Louis has already issued 12 tornado warnings this year. And it wasn't a false alarm. Okay, so what honestly, with stuff being said, that I think that storm came as a surprise to a lot of people, me included. Um, Me included, honestly. It was a shocking thing. Hold on, I'm gonna see if I can call this person one more time.